Here's what you missed in payments this week. First, it's been one hell of a week for Bitcoin. It started with Jamie Dimon, JP Morgan CEO, reluctantly jumping on the bandwagon after years of resistance. In Investor Day meeting notes, Dimon is reported to have said, "I don't think you should smoke, but I defend your right to smoke. I defend your right to buy Bitcoin. Go at it." Then came record highs of over $110,000 in the hopes that new legislation will be passed by the US government. And, rather fittingly, Thursday was Bitcoin Pizza Day, the anniversary of a programmer spending 10,000 Bitcoin on 2 pizzas in 2010. At the time, 10,000 Bitcoin was worth $41. With this week's highs, those pizzas would have cost $1.1 billion. It now seems that whether you're a skeptic or a believer, there is no escaping crypto. Next, new research reveals that banks expect to lose millions in interest payments under new EU rules. 9 in 10 banks are concerned about the instant payment transaction limit being lifted as part of the SEPA instant payment regulation. So, what does this mean and why does it matter? The instant payments regulation requires banks to be able to send and receive payments in 10 seconds or less, 24 hours a day. That's great for you and I, but for banks, it's really complicated. Banks now need to fund payments in the evenings and weekends, but they can only top up their accounts Monday to Friday during business hours. That means they need to keep enough cash in their instant payments accounts for any eventuality. What if a flurry of businesses each send 10 million euros on a Friday night? How much cash should banks keep on hand? 300 million? 600 million? A billion? And what happens if they run out? Preparing for these new peaks of payment volumes means moving money from interest-earning accounts to accounts that don't earn anything. And this is where they expect to lose money. But despite all of this, they're feeling optimistic. You can find out why by downloading the research in the comments. Want more payments news and insights? Subscribe to the Red Compass Labs newsletter by clicking the link below.